It's now emerging that at least 5 Kenyans have died from COVID-19 related causes. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs says the 5 are all based in the United States. Principal Secretary Ambassador Macharia Kamau says one of the deceased was a member of staff at Kenya's consulate in Los Angeles. The government also revealed that it was having a hard time helping thousands of Kenyans stranded abroad owing to travel restrictions.
Kenyans will now have to grapple with a new reality that they will not be able to bury their loved ones in case they contract and succumb to the coronavirus abroad. Foreign Affairs Permanent Secretary Ambassador Macharia Kamau, while announcing the new measures, confirmed that 5 Kenyans had so far died in the United States over the last month from coronavirus.
We have on record about 5 Kenyans who have succumbed not necessarily to COVID-19, but who have died in the last month and who have underlying causes that could have made them susceptible to COVID-19 conditions. I'm reminded that the Kenyan in Sweden is in the ICU and is making good progress, as well as the one in Germany, who is actually from Italy, and was evacuated to Germany, a Kenyan.
According to Macharia, the bodies will not be flown into the country in line with the Ministry of Health directives. Instead, the bodies will have to be buried within 24 hours to avoid cases of infection.
Allow us to lay to rest our loved ones abroad within a very short period of time in those countries, because bringing those bodies home is going to be extremely difficult under these current circumstances, because the situation for those who are very ill is quite dire, and for those who have passed on, it is something that needs serious consideration by the various families.
But of great concern is the number of Kenyans stranded in different countries, with over 160 Kenyans, among them patients and their relatives, who had sought special medical attention in India, which is now in a lockdown until May 3rd, 2020.
Some of them have run out of money because obviously they were not expecting to stay there for such a long time. Some of them, sadly, have lost the patients with whom they went for treatment, but they're not able to bring their loved ones home. We hope that we will be able to find an amicable solution that will work for everybody.
Away from India, 2 Kenyans, among them a student, are stranded in Spain, one of the hardest hit countries by the virus. 21 students also stranded in Hungary, with 61 training assistants facing the same fate in France.
I've had some countries like Saudi Arabia who have announced that they will continue to support all the people who are there, which is a very positive thing. But we've also had other governments in the Middle East expressing their willingness to continue to support Kenyans who are there, in as much as they will not have them evicted and or put out on the street.
The PS appealing to Kenyans to contact the embassies in their countries of residence in case they are stranded, noting that despite all embassies closing their offices, they are operating virtually and can offer assistance at any time.